Hello everyone, welcome back to Gardening Mindfully. I harvested the red norland potatoes that were growing in that cardboard box there. And today I'll be harvesting the Adirondack Blue and also the Gold Rush, which is a russet potato. I am so excited. Okay, let's get started with our Gold Rush potatoes. In this container, we planted 5 seed Gold Rush potatoes on April 10th. 70 days later, we're harvesting the potatoes. The Gold Rush is an early maturing potato variety, and you'll notice here that the plant is upright and the stems are about 20 inches tall. My plants did not flower, however, they are ready for harvesting. Whether we grow potatoes directly in the ground or in containers, it's one of those crops that are hidden underground and you're never sure what you'll get until harvest day. So far, this is all I've seen. One little potato here and the small one right there. Hopefully, there are more potatoes underneath the soil. Potato is an easy crop to grow. Besides, they're an excellent source of vitamin C, B6, and potassium. Now let's go ahead and scoop the soil out and hopefully we will be harvesting potatoes. Okay guys, so there's nothing yet. Nothing. Look, we have potatoes. This is the Gold Rush potato harvest. Now let's move on to the Adirondack Blue that are growing in the hose-link grow bag. Again, you'll notice that the leaves on these plants are green, the plant is upright, and the stems are about 20 inches tall. And here we have one potato tuber that's still on the plant. Just look at that tuber. In this grow bag, we had planted 4 Adirondack Blue seed potatoes, and these are the ones that I'm most looking forward to. The tubers are large and oblong in shape, and the skin and flesh are purplish blue in color, and they retain the color when they're roasted or baked, but fade when boiled. They store really well, and I just love the nutty taste. I would say we have an abundant harvest, given the fact that we started with just 10 seed potatoes. These Adirondack Blue potato tubers are large and oblong in shape. The skin and flesh are more purple than blue, so I would say that they're purplish blue in color. When baked or roasted, the purplish blue flesh remain, but fade when boiled. The Gold Rush is an early maturing potato variety. It's great for baking, boiling, and mashing. The tubers, as you can see, are oblong, and the skin is a russet gold color, and the flesh is white and flaky. Of the three varieties that I planted this year, my absolute favorite, hands down, is the red norland. The red norland stores really well. I love the flavor. I love the red skin, and the texture is nice and firm. But most of all, I like the fact that it stores really well. Next is the Adirondack Blue because I just love that purplish blue color. The Gold Rush potatoes did not store well for me, even though I had not washed them for several days. They started to deteriorate really quickly. These three potato varieties are early maturing potatoes that were harvested in just 70 days from planting. We will be planting even more potato varieties this fall, so be sure to follow along and to watch our videos. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video, and we hope you have an amazing, amazing day. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.